Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I have this Airfix Constant Scale Construction Kit Catalog from 1970. It's their 7th edition. So what I do is on this channel is I go through my catalogue of catalogues. I collect catalogues, and so what I'm going to do is over the course of the year is actually film each of my catalogues page by page, so you can see what was available back in the day. Unfortunately, only 10% of the people who watch these videos are subscribers, so if you like these kinds of videos, please feel free to go to the subscribe button and click subscribe, and also ring that bell, and then you'll be notified when I put one of these sorts of videos out. I film these catalogues in the best quality I can, so to see this in the best quality, just go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages over too quickly, you can slow the video down by clicking the cog, playback speed, and select either 0.5 or 0.25, something like that. Also, you can just pause the video if you see something that you like, and then press play and continue watching the video. Anyways, that's all the explanations done. This is the Airfix Kit Catalog from 1970. Enjoy. you are, that was the catalogue. Inside there was over 250 different types of models that you could build from the Airfix range, and they did go out to prove a point with this catalogue. At the beginning, they're saying here that every key modeler knows it's the little things that count. The really perfect model has to be right in every small detail, and that's why Airfix construction kits are so popular. They're just like the real thing. And I believe they did push the, you know, the idea of scale modeling to new heights back in the day, because they were really producing these kits and everybody was enjoying building them. So on the top there, you can see that they have references for the aircraft markings on the top. So there's your Great Britain, Germany, 1914, 1918, Italy, USA, Japan. You can keep going through. And so they start off with the like World War I, World War II sort of eras. Then they keep going through, and then you got more of your jets there. That one there is the Douglas A4D Skyhawk. Moving on through the catalogue, there's so many in here that you probably would have built yourself if you had bought these around 1970s, 80s, 90s. And even now they are still producing some of these models, but in what they call their vintage classics. Moving on through, you're going on to their historical and military figures. A little bit of James Bond there with Odd Job. Then they had their warships, which, to be honest, I don't really build warships, so I don't know much about them. If you've built a warship, put them in the comment below and just tell me what they're like to build, especially if you had built the ones from the 1970s. There you go through the warships there with your Cutty Sark and your Mayflowers, your Golden Hind, your HMS Victory. They're a staple to most Airfix catalogues these days. Moving on through, you got your modern cars. There you go. There's that one again. I go pick this one up because I still remember building it. I've actually still got it. I've shown it on a previous video, but I do have this one here, which was the Ferrari 250 LM, and this was my my build. I just thought I'd show it again because I'm quite proud of this. There you are, with the number 5 sticker on there. It's got a number 2, but you know, that's how it was. So yeah, moving through, you got your veteran cars, which I believe that we might be seeing again at some point when they re-release them. I've been told that there's thoughts about re-releasing them kits. Then you move on to their trains and their OHO scale. So that's basically 1:76 scale. So they're a little bit smaller than the 1:72 scale, and they did a lot of their armor in that. And there's a change at the moment to move from the 1:76 OHO size to 1:72 scale, especially with the new Tiger that they had done this year. Moving through, there's some more there. Then you've got your figures, which are all 1:76 scale, so they'll be tiny. You have your animals, your forts, your attack force, which if you can see these are worth a few quid now. And then you basically end up with just the museum models, which are motorized. The skeleton, which I like to see released again. I did have this, but I sold it to a friend because he wanted to build one. You had your better builder, which is like your copy Lego, and it does look like Lego there, and your paint by numbers. And on the back they had their kind of Skeletrix, which was the motor race, and they were promoting their Airfix monthly magazine. And there you are on the back there. You got a nice little Boeing 737 there, and you have the 8mm gun there on the back. So there you are. That was this catalogue from 1970. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, please put them in the box below, and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.